guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be organizing and cleaning out this little shelf we have in our kitchen. So let's just jump right into this video. This is just a shelf we have in our kitchen. It's gotten pretty cluttered and it has just random stuff in it. So I'm going to start off by just taking everything out of it and placing it on the floor next to me. Once I have everything on the floor and out of the shelf, I'm going to start going through everything, and I'm pretty much just throwing out a lot of stuff that we don't need anymore, and I'm putting stuff in different places. So like we had some pens and stuff in there, and we have a desk now that has room for that, so I put all the pens in our desk. I'm just gonna clean out the whole shelf, so I'm using my Lysol kitchen cleaner spray. So I'm just starting off by taking the shelves out of it, and then I'm gonna spray down the sides and the top and the bottom, and I'm just gonna wipe it all down. And I just put the shelves back in. Gonna start putting everything back in the shelf, and I threw out a lot of stuff and got rid of a lot of stuff, so there wasn't that much in there anymore. And I had these two little black baskets that I used to organize it a bit. So I put on the top one, I had a few papers that I put in there just so you can open it and grab them really easily, and then on the bottom one I just put some other random stuff that we still need and put it in there. And for the very bottom shelf, we just have some phone books that we put down there. This is the final product, so it looks way better than it did before. It was so cluttered, and I decluttered the whole thing, and so now it's nice and organized and doesn't have a bunch of junk in it. So that's it for my video today. I hope you all enjoyed it. Please leave a comment down below and a like, and please subscribe to my channel. I'd appreciate that, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Sometimes